Right then, welcome back to AJP Garden Machines, and this video is a little different. I've just move my mouse out the way. Just upgraded my mobile. So what I'm recording on right now is in a Huawei P20 Pro. Hopefully the audio is good as well. Let me just move that up. I've just forgot that my audio is actually running through my microphone on my PC. Trying a bit more of a professional setup, you see. So, I'm going to be doing the first look review, my personal review on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition, which is stands for the Fan Edition. I believe this come out in October this year. It's a bit less spec'd than the S20 and S20 Ultra. Not much difference out, but a lot difference in the old price. I think this retails for about I think it's about £600 here in the UK. £500-600, but you can get it on offer. But I've just upgraded via my contract phone. So I have opened it up before, first thing when it got here this morning it was opened. So in the box you get your SIM remover tool, as normal, and a few pamphlets in there, normal things. You get your device. We'll just put that down to a side. We'll have a look at that in a minute. I'll put that there, and in the box you get this little cover. You get your charger, which is a fast charger, I believe, and it is output 9 volt or 5 volt supercharger, fast charging brick. And then you also get your Type C, which I will say, first of all, looking at this, it feels cheap. This cable does feel a lot cheaper than what I got with my Huawei. It just feels a lot thinner and just not like the quality's there. The Huawei one was quite thick, so I'll put that to the side. And then, as you can see, something missing, nothing else in the box. We have no headphones with this device. It don't come with no headphones as standard, so that's quite bad really. And they haven't even give you the adapter due to it just being Type C. There's no headphone jack 3.5, so it just comes with that. So that's a bit of a drawback really. I've already got an adapter for the Type C to 3.5mm, but you'd have thought they would have added it from in the box, like, sort of thing. So let's have a look at the device itself. It's a bit already smudgy, you can't keep them clean for long, can you? Right, so this colour is, I think it's Cloud Navy, I believe. Yes, Cloud Navy. As you can see, that's the colour. So let me just dim the light down and see if you can not see a reflection so much. So we'll just dim that light down a bit. Let's turn it off a second. Oh, yeah, that's a lot worse. So, I'll turn it up slightly. So, you've got the triple camera setup again, and your flash, and the cameras are 12 megapixel wide, an 8 megapixel telephoto, and another 12 megapixel ultra wide. So that's your cameras on the back, and then on the front you got your camera just there notched out, and that is a 32 megapixel unit. So first of all, the phone does feel, it's got some weight to it. It does feel pretty premium. You've got your normal power and Bixby, I believe Samsung call it, a Bixby button there, and then your volume up and down on the side. You've got your Type C on the bottom, your speaker, and probably a microphone, that is. And then up the top, which is another good feature which this phone's got, you can either have 2 SIM cards in this device, or you can have expandable memory. So that's pretty good. This device comes with 128 gigs as the one I've got. It's a 128 gig model, but I'm not sure if I do these in other sizes. Not too sure. Yeah, I believe I do. I think we do a 256 gig as well. So yeah, so that's the device when it's powered on. As you can see, it's got a little notch out for the camera there. You know, these notches, you can't get away from them. And I will be doing some comparing to my Huawei, which has got Carl Zeiss lenses on. I'll do a little review of that to see which camera's better. And the camera in the Huawei, I think, is a 40 megapixel. One of the cameras, I can't remember the rest. So yeah, you got the under screen fingerprint sensor, yeah, as you can see, under the screen. But it's also got face recognition. So if I put my face there, yeah, there you go. It's quite slow, the face recognition is. The face recognition, yeah, seems a lot better on the Huawei. So it does seem a lot more responsive though. It seems quicker, very quick, you know, to scroll through and everything. Overall, it looks like a nice device, but I will do a little update on how I'm getting along with it. It does seem like a nice device. So there's not much bezel either. There's a bit of bezel, but there's not much. So yeah, that's just the first little look at it, really. So what I'm going to do now is roll some shots I took earlier of outside. I'll do a little bit of recording on the device itself, so you can see what it's like. Let's test out the volume. Let me just find a copyright-free song. Let me just go onto YouTube. Right. Free music. You have to be careful as well putting in copyright-free music, because sometimes they're just I'm not. Well, this one's not meant to be copyright-free, so hopefully it's not. The advert probably is though. So I'll just cut this bit out. Right. So here's the audio. It's quite loud, to be fair. So that's the audio. And let's just while we got on this, let's check YouTube. You know, seeing as you're watching this on YouTube, let's check how YouTube plays on it. So you can pinch and zoom it in so you can do full, but you have got that little notch out there, as you can see. Little notch. Yeah, so you can pinch in and out like that. It's nice and quick as well. So we'll just pause that for a minute, and now I'll go on to the camera quality and everything. That's it. Alright, we'll just go over to the camera here. Just, you know, you can't really see much because I'm recording, but what I'll do is switch over to this phone now, and we'll test it from there. Right, so I'm now just running off the phone. So looks pretty good, looks crisp. So here's my old phone. Oh, very smudgy. I've had this in the case ever since I've had it. But that's the old phone with the Carl Zeiss lenses in. As you can see, Carl Zeiss. But I was going to get the Huawei P40, but that'd be no good for us now, because you can't use anything to do with Google. On the new P40 Pro, they have stopped anything to do with Google, so you can't even have YouTube on your device. So, bit of a downer, because I do like Huawei's, but since all of that, what's happened with them, can't really use them. So, yeah, you're getting a listen of the audio on the actual phone, and this is a front-facing camera, so this is a 32 megapixel camera, which you've seen. And then I'll put the footage in a minute about the review. What I've done is took a couple of clips outside, took a couple of pictures inside of the Huawei and this camera, well, phone. But they're more like cameras nowadays, either. He's got 4 cameras on. He's got one at the front and 3 at the back. It's like, when they're going to stop? Until the old phone's a camera. That's probably the way. But, yeah. So I'll do the outro now and everything. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe. Hopefully it's down that way. Normally when I'm pointing that way, it's that way. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload. This ain't a normal video I do. I normally do mowers and stuff. Mowers, small engine repairs. But you know, I thought, might as well put it out there. You know. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And share me out if you can. And I've also dropped a link to my Amazon wishlist. So if you do want to help me out and support me, there's a wish list with some tools and stuff on. Yeah, and how do you like the lighting as well? Because I've picked up these, I'll show you. I've got one down here, but this is a bigger one I'm using now. These little ring lights I've picked up, and you can put different attachments on. You can take these off this attachment. This one's plugged in as well. So as you can see, you've got different modes. You can turn them down. I can turn them right down. You can switch the type of light. So as you can see, I'm switching. There's 3 different modes, and this was only $7.99 from Home Bargains, and it comes with quite a sturdy stand. This one is. The other one's on a big tripod type stand. That one was £20, which is slightly bigger than this. But they come with these metal stands, and they're quite structurally strong. And you can bend it down and everything, you know, like that. But you've also can connect another adapter what's with it and put your SLR camera on, or GoPro or something along the lines. So that's that. So I'll play that video now. Oh, one more thing as well about these. They am USB powered. So literally, if you're out and about, you can plug these into a power bank. Jobs are good. Jobs are good. So, yeah. I'll put these clips in now of the phone. See what it's like. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Well, this is a video I took on phones at the same time. Should be able to see sort of the same thing. And this is the audio quality on the video. Well, this is a video I took on phones at the same time. Should be able to see sort of the same thing. And this is the audio quality on the video.